Audio desync in Overwatch 2 can be frustrating, but there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get your audio back in sync. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the game's audio settings and ensure that all options are correctly configured. Look for settings related to audio output and input devices to confirm they match your system settings. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio quality. Lower the in-game audio quality settings. Sometimes high-quality audio settings can cause desync issues. Experiment with different settings to see if it improves the situation. Step 4. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing audio desync. Step 5. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue in Overwatch 2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.